What are we going to go through during the series? Seeing God in biology.
I'm going to approach it from the perspective of a biochemist, and you're going to approach it from the perspective of an engineer. We look at biological and biochemical systems. They're extremely well engineered, reflecting, we think, a creator's handiwork.
So what are the first 10 points we are going to go through in this series? DNA wires.
A nanowire conducting electrical current along the length of the double helix.
Even bit parity code.
Cells machinery to detect errors in data transmission during DNA replication or transcription.
DNA storage.
About 2.5 pounds of DNA can store all the digital information that exists in the world.
Why we have those specific 20 amino acids out of 500 possibilities.
And in fact, there are no other amino acid combinations that are as optimal as the set that we see in nature.
DNA replication, transcription, and translation system.
The central dogma of molecular biology is all about the flow of information. And we see in the flow of information design at so many different levels.
Genetic code design and optimization.
This set of rules is extremely well designed. It is optimized better than any other possible genetic code that could exist.
Protein folding.
How do proteins so efficiently fold into these precise three-dimensional structures? This is called the Leaventhal paradox.
DNA Turing computers.
The metabolic operations on DNA, like replication and transcription and DNA repair, literally are computer operations where the cell's machinery, the proteins that are manipulating DNA, are functioning like Turing machines.
Biochemical finite machines.
Single-celled organisms, this appearance of having intelligence, being able to respond to the environment in ways that look as if that single-celled entity is actually thinking.
Design of pseudogenes.
Considered to be vestiges of an evolutionary history, but the more that we're learning about pseudogenes, the more that we see evidence that these are intentionally designed.
And this is just the first 10. There will be an after show after each premiere, so send your questions through the link in the description.